This 2023 Grand Design Solitude S-CLASS S3460FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, air conditioning, water heater, microwave, oven, auxiliary battery, skylight, leveling jacks, external shower, smoke detector, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front dinette, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.